Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Chiru's Aspirations. Today I am back with another amazing concept, that is pair of linear equations in two variables. We are going to solve today in an algebraic method. Already we have seen the same chapter, that is the introduction, and also the graphical method, how to get a solution for a pair of linear equations graphically. Today we are going to see how to solve it algebraically. There are many methods like substitution method, elimination method, cross multiplication method, like that. Today we will be seeing substitution method and elimination method. So the people who are new to my channel, hi, this is Chiranjeevi. I am a maths trainer. So today the fascinating concept, that is the pair of linear equations in two variables, we are going to solve by two methods, that is substitution method and the elimination method. So the basics, the introduction, and what is linear equation, everything I have given my previous videos. You can go to that videos and watch that and come back to this video. Linear equation in a substitution method. So obviously whenever there is an equation, that is a1x plus b1y, that is equal to c1, or plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. This is the pair of linear equations in two variables. So today we are going to do two methods, that is, one is substitution method and other one is have elimination method. So later in our videos I will be doing another method that is called as cross multiplication method. So these three methods we will be doing, and today we will be doing substitution method and elimination method. So whenever this pair of linear equations is given, substitution method is the thing where taking one variable, either x or y, and substituting the remaining thing in the second equation. Whereas the elimination method, among the two linear equations, we are going to eliminate x or y, and remaining we are going to find out. Let us go directly to the problem so that you can understand. So let me take a problem, that is x plus y is equal to 8 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 1. This is a linear equation, pair of linear equations with two variables. So first thing what I am going to do, I am going to consider these two equations. So that is x plus y is equal to 8 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 1. This one I am going to take as equation 1 and this one I am going to take equation 2. Now what I am going to do, I am going to consider the equation 1. So I am going to consider the equation 1. So here we have x plus y is equal to 8. I am going to take y is equal to 8 minus x, or x is equal to anyway you can do. So if we take y, we will be getting x value in the second equation. So anything you can take, either x or y. If you take x, for example, if you take x, so that becomes 8 minus y. So now we have substituted x is equal to 8 minus y here. By this equation, x plus y is equal to 8. I have taken only x. So remaining part I am sending that side. So it becomes 8 minus y. So x is equal to 8 minus y. What I am going to do now, substituting. So this is a substitution method, right? Substituting x in equation 2. Which is equation 2? 2x minus 3y is equal to 1. So equation 2, that is 2x minus 3y is equal to 1. Now I am going to substitute the value of x in this equation, that is 2 into, in the place of x I am going to put 8 minus y. So 8 minus y minus 3y is equal to 1. Now 2 into 8 is 16 minus 2 into y is 2y minus 3y as it is, that is equal to 1. So 16 minus 2y minus 3y, both are same sign, so we can add up. So it becomes minus 5y, that is equal to 1. So I need y, right? So here I have minus 5y. What I am going to do, I am going to send this minus 5y that side and bring this one this side. So it becomes 16 minus 1 is equal to 5y. So 5y is equal to 16 minus 1 is 15. So y is equal to 15 by 5. So 5 ones are 5 threes are. So therefore y value is 3. So this is the method of substitution. We have got y value as 3. Just I have taken the first equation, taken x is equal to 8 minus y, and I am going to substitute this in the place of x in the second equation. So I have got 2x minus 3y, we have second equation. In the place of x I am taking this 8 minus y. So solving this I will be getting y is equal to 3. Now what I am going to do, we got y value, we need to find the x value, right? Already we know that x is equal to 8 minus y, right? So x is equal to 8 minus y. So x is equal to 8 minus of what is y? 3. So x is equal to 5. Therefore x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 3. So these are the required values of the equation. X plus y is equal to 8 and 2x plus 3y is equal to 1. So these two equations we have solved by the method of substitution method. So I have taken one equation. You can do this way also. You can take this equation, substitute in this equation also, you will be getting the same answer. You can take 2x is equal to 1 plus 3y and x is equal to 1 plus 3y by 2. So this also you can take and substitute here. Any method is okay. But observe the equations which is simplest so that the substitution will be easy. Take that. So if you take this way also, we will get the same answer. So we have got x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 3. Now we need to check whether this answer is correct or what. Just to put the values in the equation and check. So x is 5 and y is 8. So 5 plus y is 3, right? 5 plus 3 is 8. So the equation is satisfying. So our answer is correct. So this is the way we solve the pair of linear equations in two variables by the method of substitution. So we take some variable and bring everything that side and take that and substitute in the other equation, so that we'll be getting answer. So in the previous video I did about the graphical representation, right? So graphical representation happens once when we plot the graph, these two lines intersect at a point where x is 5 and y is 3. So if you have some graph like this, so 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and this is x and this is y, 1, 2, 3. So x is 5 and y is 3. So this point some line will be intersecting this point exactly. So y will be getting 3, x will be getting 5. So if I plot the graph for these equations, I will be getting like this. I hope you people are understanding. So let me do another problem in the method of substitution. Let me take the problem. So x plus y is equal to a minus b and ax minus by is equal to a square plus b square. So this is a little bit different problem. Observe carefully. So here they have not given directly the numbers. So we don't have directly the numbers. So observe what to do. Similarly, we are going to consider the equations, that is x plus y is equal to a minus b, this is equation 1, ax minus by, that is equal to a square plus b square, this is equation 2. So two equations they have given. So here a, b, here a minus b and here a, b, a square plus b square, these are constants. They have not given the constant, just they have kept in the variable itself. So we need to consider the variable as only x and y, whereas a and b are constants. Okay. So here we have considered these two equations. Same method as what we did in substitution method in the previous problem. Same thing what I am going to do. I am going to consider the first equation, x plus y is equal to a minus b. Now what I am going to do, I am going to take y and send all these things this side. So what happens? Y is equal to a minus b. When plus x comes this side, it becomes minus x. So this is y. Now what I am going to do? Substituting y in equation 2. If you take first equation and do like this, then you need to substitute the second equation. You should not substitute the same thing in the first equation. Then again the same equation will arise. So if you take x or y and send all these things, then you should substitute in the second equation. If you take this equation as that, then you need to substitute in the first equation. So I have taken, this is the simplest one so that we can substitute. So y is equal to a minus b minus x. So substituting this y in equation 2. So equation 2 is nothing but we have ax minus by, that is equal to a square plus b square. I have taken the second equation. So here this second equation, ax minus by is equal to a square plus b square. In the place of y, I will be putting this a minus b minus x. So a x minus b, y is a minus b minus x, that is equal to a square plus b square. Now ax multiply, minus into plus is minus, b into a is ba or ab, minus into minus is plus, b into b is b square, minus into minus is plus, b into x is bx, that is equal to a square plus b square. Now what I am going to do, here we have like terms ax and bx, so I am going to segregate that separately. So ax plus bx minus ab plus b square, that is equal to a square plus b square. So here x is common, right? I will take x as common, that is a plus b. So these things I will send this side, so it becomes a square plus b square, already I have, minus ab becomes plus ab plus b square. Sorry, plus b square comes this side, it becomes minus b square. So plus b square minus b square gets cancelled. So I am going to cancel minus b square plus b square. The remaining thing is x into a plus b is equal to a square plus ab. Now I am going to take common. See, we have x into a plus b, that is equal to a square plus ab. So x into a plus b, that is equal to, here a is common, right? I am taking a common out, so a plus b. Now I need the value for x, right? What I am going to do, x is equal to a into a plus b divided by a plus b. It is simple maths. So a plus b gets cancelled. So therefore x is equal to a. Now I got the value x is equal to, since there is no direct constant terms, so a, b are the constants. So I got x is a. Now substituting this x in one of the value and we will be getting y. Here we have taken y, right? The same thing what I am going to do here, y is equal to a minus b minus x. In the place of x, because value of x is a, I am going to write a. Y is equal to a minus b minus a. What happened? Minus a plus a gets cancelled. So y is equal to minus b. So therefore x is equal to a and y is equal to minus b is the values for this linear equation. So pair of linear equations, any way they can ask, just substituting it and finding the answer. So here the values, x is equal to a, y is equal to minus b. So if you substitute again x, y value here, then the equation gets satisfied. See, a minus b, here if you take a, x in the form of a and y in the form of minus b, you will be getting a square plus b square. I hope you people are enjoying and understanding. So this way we can solve the pair of linear equations in two variables. So by substitution method, taking one equation and taking some variable and sending all these things towards crossing the equal sign and then substituting it in the second equation, or second equation to first equation. This is all about the substitution method of solving pair of linear equations in two variables. I hope this is an enjoyable concept. Next, I will be doing solving linear equations by elimination method. Let's see that how to solve a linear equation by elimination method. Okay, directly I'll go to problems. So this is the problem. If we need to do the substitution method, then x is equal to 4 minus y. I am going to substitute here. Now here this is a method of elimination. We need to do elimination method. Okay. So elimination is very simple than substitution method. Just we need to consider the equation. So I am going to consider in equations. That is 8x plus 5y is equal to 11 and x plus y is equal to 4. Just I have considered equation. So one by one I have written the equation. So now here if we observe, the overall intention in this method is I need to eliminate any one thing, either x or y. If I eliminate that, then it will be very easy for me to solve the variable. If I, for example, eliminate y, so I'll be getting x value, it will be very easy. Or if I eliminate x, I'll be getting y value very easily. That is the overall intention and motive of this method, that is elimination method. I'm going to eliminate. Now I'm going to add. So this is plus, this is plus. 8x plus 1x is 9x. 5y plus 1y is 6y. That is equal to 11 plus 4. What happens here? The variables are not getting eliminated, isn't it? They are not getting eliminated. So what I am going to do? Just I am going to change the sign. We'll see, we'll subtract and see. 8x minus 7x, again 8x minus 1x is 7x, 5y minus 1y is 4y. So again x and y arises. So what we are going to do in such type of situation, I need, for example, if I imagine I had 8x here, then if I subtract that 8x minus 8x, it becomes 0 and this was cancelling. Or if I have 5y here, then it was cancelling, right? So anything we can take, either 8 or 5, it's our option. Let me take 5 or let me take 8, anything is possible, and I am going to multiply by this equation. Okay, x plus y is equal to 4 into 8. Okay, I have taken this. Now here this equation I multiply, again I am going to consider the equations, that is 8x plus 5y is equal to 11. Now I am going to multiply, that is 8x plus 8y. I am going to multiply this, that is equal to 32. Okay, so 8x plus 5y is equal to 11 and I have multiplied 8 here, so that is 8x plus 8y is equal to 4 into 8, that is 32. Now I am going to change the sign. So just if it is plus, put minus, if it is plus, put minus and minus, which means actually we are subtracting. So this is the simplest way of changing the sign. So 8x plus 8x and minus 8x gets cancelled. So plus minus. So here the greater number sign is minus. I'll be having 3y, 8y minus 3y. So here we have eliminated 8x. The x term we have eliminated, we got minus 3y. That is equal to, here minus, greater number sign minus, 32 minus 11 is 21. Now I am going to take minus 3y is equal to minus 21. I need y, right? So y minus 21 by minus 3. It comes to side. Minus minus gets cancelled. 3 1s are, 3 7s are. So y is equal to 7. We got the value 7 by the method of elimination. So we have not substituted anything. Just we have eliminated one term. We got y. And again take this and substitute in any one of the equation. So let me consider this equation, x plus y is equal to 4. So y, I am going to substitute in the place of y, that is 7, right? 7 is equal to 4. So x is equal to 4 minus 7. So x is equal to minus 3. Okay. So therefore we have x is equal to minus 3 and y is equal to 7. So it is very easy method, elimination method. The steps also is very less because our overall motive and intention is to eliminate a single term and remaining value we can find out and again resubstitute that in some equation and we can get the other value also. So here I have eliminated x. Similarly, we can do for 5 also. If you take into 5, this gets eliminated and we'll get x value, that is minus 3. And when we substitute that, we'll be getting y value as 7. So this is the method of doing the elimination method. So let us go for the last problem of today, that is another problem in elimination method. Yeah. So let me take a problem like this. X by 2 plus 2y by 3 is equal to minus 1 and x minus y by 3 is equal to 3. So this is the problem we have. So x by 2 plus 2y by 3 is equal to minus 1 and x minus y by 3 is equal to 3. So now here let me consider these equations, that is x by 2 plus 2y by 3, that is equal to minus 1, x minus y by 3 is equal to 3. My overall intention is to eliminate one term, either x or y. So here it looks easy for me. If I multiply 2 here, so then 2y by 3 gets cancelled. If I just subtract or add, so here there is already change of sign. So what I am going to do, just multiply this equation by 2. Then what happens to this equation? It is x by 2. This equation will be as it is, 2y by 3, that is equal to minus 1. I am going to multiply 2 with this equation, that is 2x minus 2y by 3, that is equal to 3 2s are 6. Okay. So don't get confused. They have given fractions, all those things. It's very easy. Now I'm not going to change the sign, directly I'm going to add. So plus and minus I'm going to get cancelled. So here I'll be getting x by 2 plus 2x and this is minus 1 plus 6. So now solving this, we have x by 2 plus 2x, that is equal to minus 1 plus 6. So x I'm going to take LCM, 2 2s are 4, 4x by 2, that is equal to 5. Minus 1 plus 6 is 5. So x plus 4x, that is equal to 10. This 2 is going this side, becomes 10. So x plus 4x is nothing but 5x, that is equal to 10. So x is equal to 10 by 5. So 5 1s are 5 2s are. So x value I got it as 2. So it's so simple, right? Elimination method. Yes. So similarly, x value I got as 2. I'm going to substitute in one of the equation. I'll be finding it out. So here let me take this. Consider x minus y by 3 is equal to 3. This is the equation. In the place of x, I will be putting 2. So 2 minus y by 3 is equal to 3. Again take LCM. 3 into 2 is 6 minus y by 3, that is equal to 3. So 6 minus y, that is equal to 3 into 3. This 3 I am going to take that. It becomes 9. So that implies this minus y goes this side, which means y is equal to 6 minus 9. So this plus 9 comes this side, minus y goes that side and 6 remains as it is. So 6 minus 9. So y is equal to minus 3. Therefore, we got x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 3 in this equations, that is pair of linear equations. So if we again substitute, we'll be getting that thing. Okay, x is 2 minus y is minus 3. Minus 3 by 3 minus 1, right? So x plus 1, obviously 2 plus 1 is 3. So the equation is getting satisfied. So this way we can solve the pair of linear equations in two variables by elimination method. So today altogether we saw substitution method and elimination method. Elimination method is very simple because we are eliminating a term and we are getting the results. We are getting a value of the x and y in the given pair of linear equations. So I hope today's class was enjoyable. So concept was very amazing and I hope you people understood. If you like this video, like it, comment, share. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. We'll have a great journey of mathematics. Whatever the doubts you have, so if you comment it, I'll be very happy to do that problem and I'll be coming with next video also. So please comment it if you have any doubts. I'll be very happy to do that. I have another channel, Motivations of Chiro. You can subscribe that channel also. The link I'll be giving in the description. So I'll be motivating people and giving many values to the life so that you can get a transformation. So you can subscribe that channel also. So I hope today's class was very enjoyable. Have a nice mathematical time. Bye.